Want to automatically summarize or analyze new posts from around the web with AI? By the end of this video, you'll have a simple automation that sends new content to ChatGPT shortly after it's published. RSS app turns updates from your favorite websites into an RSS feed, and as soon as a new item is added, Zapier sends it to ChatGPT for processing. This setup is ideal for summarizing news, generating social media captions, analyzing for key insights, and generally keeping up with high volumes of content as they're released. I'll walk you through the workflow step by step so you can produce ready-to-use AI output and plug it straight into your marketing stack, or any workflow you need. Start by opening rss.app and pasting the link of any website or social media page into the generator. This tool creates a feed in a standard RSS format, so automation tools like Zapier can read the content. Click Save to My Feeds to get the XML URL you'll use inside Zapier. You can also customize your feed, hide duplicates, include or exclude posts by keyword, limit the amount of posts, or combine multiple sources into a bundle. Now log into Zapier and click Create New Zap. For the trigger, search for RSS and select it. Choose New Item in Feed as the trigger event. Paste in your RSS app feed URL and click Continue. Now click Test Trigger. You should see multiple items pulled in from your feed. Select one to use as your test record during setup. Then, let's generate your OpenAI API key. To use the API, you'll need to add credits to your OpenAI account. And click Create New Secret Key. Name it something like Zapier Test and click Create. Copy that key. You'll need it in the next step. Then go back to Zapier, search for ChatGPT, and select it as the action. Choose Send Prompt as the action event and connect your OpenAI account by pasting in the API keys from the previous step. In the Model dropdown, choose the AI model you want to use. In the prompt field, type your instructions. For example, summarize this article in 3 to 4 sentences, or write me a tweet based on this article. To pass your RSS feed data into the prompt, type a slash and select the fields you want to include. You can also configure advanced options. These are optional. Unless you know exactly what you need, keep them at their default values. When you're done, click Test Step. You should now see a fully generated ChatGPT response in the Data Out tab. Now RSS app will automatically fetch the latest articles from your source URL, and Zapier will send each new item to ChatGPT for processing. From here, you can add additional actions to your Zap. For example, saving summaries to Google Sheets, publishing to Instagram, posting to Slack, syncing with MailChimp, or any other tool supported by Zapier. Start automating today with RSS app.